Welcome to our Distributor How-To series, sending a sample, quote, meeting request and placing an order. First, search for the product. When you've found your product, click on the product. If you need to get a quote, open up the Quote tab and complete the fields. When completed, click Get a Quote, and a quote request will be sent to the supplier. You can also request a sample of the product on Sourcing Machine. Choose the color of the sample you want, the date you'd like it to arrive, and if you'd like it to send it to your client, add their address in the notes section. When you click the Request a Sample button, the sample request will go directly to the supplier. You can also ask the supplier for a meeting. Click on the Request a Zoom meeting, add your preferred date, preferred time, and any message. And when you click Send Request, a meeting request will go to the supplier. You can also place an order on Sourcing Machine. This order will go directly to the supplier and a copy of the order will be sent to you. Add the quantity, the price, the print specification, setup charge and delivery cost. You can also specify the delivery date, and if it must arrive on that date, click the No Fail button. You can load up to 3 pieces of artwork onto this order, add the PO number you want, any additional information, and once you press the Place Your Order button, the order will go to your supplier and a confirmation will go to you. Thank you for watching.